Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are happy and doing your studies good and as well as obeying your parents. Am I right? Okay. So, in the previous classes, we were discussing from English literature, chapter 5. What was the name of the chapter? Mouse, Kite, and as well as we have completed the poem Spring. Okay. So, today we will be moving with English second, English grammar, chapter 9. Listen carefully. Before this, in English second, we have completed chapter 7 and chapter 8 is not in your syllabus, it's omitted. So, we are directly going to chapter 9. Students, हमने इससे पहले इंग्लिश सेकंड का जो क्लास लिया था, उसमें चैप्टर 7 तक कंप्लीट किया था and chapter 8 आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है, so we are just directly moving to chapter number 9. So the name of the chapter is possession. What is the name of the chapter? Possession. And you can see in the heading the name of the chapter, possession and apostrophe yes. Okay. Now let's learn what is this possession. Possession means ownership. Okay. एक चीज किसका है, ओके, जिससे बिलोंग करते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड पोसेशन. एंड इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर देयर आर सम ऑफ द रूल्स वी नीड टू फॉलो इन ऑर्डर टू शो द पोसेशन इन द सेंटेंसेस. ओके, so everyone open your books to page number 35. Ma'am will be reading and making you to understand. You please look at your book and try to understand what ma'am is telling. Okay, children? So in the first line you can see that read the following sentences. There are two sentences given that. First is, this is Pihu's doll. And the bracket, the doll belongs to Pihu. Now, children, look at here. Here is a sentence. This is Pihu's doll. And Pihu is a noun. The main word here and apostrophe S. वो doll किसका है? Pihu का है. So that shows किसका है? belongingness. Okay, yeah, possession. So that's what yes. Now we have to go through some of the rules in order to show the possession. So first you can see in the blue letter there is a sentence given there. Everyone look at that carefully. We use apostrophe as when we want to show that something belongs to someone. So if you want to show that something belongs to someone, okay, you no need to write a long sentence there. You can show that in a short way. Okay, so what you have to do is with the main word you have to add apostrophe and S. The apostrophe and the letter S is added with the main word. So when you want to show the possession, something belongs to someone, what you have to do? So when you want to show something belongs to someone, okay children, how will you do? You have to write along with that. First you will put apostrophe, then along with the apostrophe you have to write yes. Okay, so this is the way you have to show. For some examples are given that. For example, Rahul's bicycle. Look at the board here. Rahul's bicycle. Rahul is the main word here and apostrophe S. So bicycle किसका है? Rahul का है. So for that we are using apostrophe and yes. Next, Shivani's mother-in-law. Whose mother-in-law? Shivani's mother-in-law. So Shivani we will write an apostrophe and S. Shivani ka mother-in-law. Next, Priyanka's friend. Whose friend? Priyanka's friend. So Priyanka is the main word and you have to add apostrophe and yes. Next is Sheila's saree. And next one is Lena. I think you all understood that in order to show the possession. Something belongs to someone. किसका है? वो show करने के लिए वो word के साथ आपको क्या लगाना है? Main word के साथ apostrophe and yes. Now there is another rule. If a plural noun ends in S, we add only apostrophe after S. Now listen carefully. Along with the singular noun, you know that if you want to change into the possession, you have to add apostrophe and S. But in the case of if you want to change a plural noun possession. Okay, so if a plural noun ends in s, example, doctor is a singular, okay, doctors plural, तो इसका possessive noun कैसे बनेगा? What will be the possessive noun of this doctor? Doctors लिख के सिर्फ आपको apostrophe लगाना है. Okay, is that clear everyone? Okay, next, teacher singular, teachers. Okay, look at here, teacher, teachers, and you want to make it possessive noun, so teachers day. So s के बाद ऑलरेडी s उधर है तो आपको दोबारा s नहीं लगाना है, सिर्फ apostrophe लगाना है. Clear? Same way, girls hostel, boys band, animal stage. So if a plural noun ends in s, so you only add apostrophe. आपको सिर्फ apostrophe लगा के उसे possessive noun में convert कर सकते हैं. Next, one more rule is there, if a plural noun not end in s, हमें पता है कुछ प्लूरल नाउन्स है, हमने ऑलरेडी लर्न किया है, एस से एंड होती है, कुछ है एस से एंड नहीं होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, चाइल्ड, व्हाट इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ चाइल्ड? चिल्ड्रन. सो चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, द लास्ट लेटर इज एन. सो यू हैव टू डू द सेम रूल विद द सिंगुलर नाउन्स व्हाट यू डिड. जो सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ जैसे आपने किया वो सेम रूल. प्लूरल नाउन्स डज नॉट एंड इन एस. सो चाइल्ड, children, children. So in the children, apostrophe and yes. Okay, children. For some examples are given in your book: women's jewelry, children's toys, men's shirts. So I think you all understood. Once again, let me make this thing clear. Once again, let me tell you: if a singular noun you want to make it as possession, किसका है? Example: Rahul. So Rahul is the noun there, and you have to add apostrophe and s. Okay. And the second one, doctors, is the plural form. Okay. And it ends in s. So only you have to add apostrophe. दोबारा उसके साथ s नहीं लगाना है. Third is a plural noun does not end with s. Okay. Here man is the singular form, men is the plural form. Here ends with n. So apostrophe s, the same way you have to put. Is that clear? So possession shows the ownership, and how to change a noun to possessive noun also you have learned. So let's go with the exercise part. Based on this, you have to do this exercise. Exercise A. Insert apostrophe wherever required. आपको apostrophe लगा के possessive noun में convert करना है. Okay, wherever required, जहाँ पर उसका requirement है. So, 1 or 2 examples I'll be doing, remaining you have to do by yourself. This is the first one. Pinky's dress. So here, Pinky's dress. So, Pinky ka dress. Okay, yeah, Pinky ki dress. Now, where you will put the apostrophe? Yes, after the Y, because Pinky is the singular noun. के बाद S already दिया है, तो Y के बाद लगाना है. Next. Juliet specs. Juliet specs. So Juliet का T के बाद आपको S लगाना है. And another example, let me tell you, come to the sixth one. Okay, sixth one is a plural form. Okay, sixth one एक plural form है, and it is ladies kitty party. Okay, so LADIES ending with S. तो आपको सिर्फ apostrophe लगाना है. ठीक है, ladies kitty party. And another example I will tell you, the 10th one. Okay, women's commission. Okay, so now the women is the plural form and ending with N. So you have to add women apostrophe, S is already there, and women's commission. Clear, children? In this way you have to do this exercise. Now let's move with exercise 3. Rewrite the following sentences using apostrophe S, yes or apostrophe. Okay, आपको apostrophe S और apostrophe लगा के जो नीचे दिए गए sentences है इन्हें possessive noun sentence में convert करना है. First one, the crown of the queen is made of silver. So when you are doing this, you have to ask the question, whose crown? किसका क्राउन है? क्यून. तो क्यून इज द मेन वर्ड. आपको सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करने का टाइम में डाउट होगा किस में एस लगाना है. So in this case you have to ask the question whose. So the crown of the queen is made of silver. Look at here. The crown of the queen is made of silver. So whose crown is made of silver? Queen. तो हम easy में change कर सकते हैं. How will you change? Queen's crown is made of silver. Queen लिख के apostrophe s लगा के crown is made of silver. Is that clear, children? Second, this classroom is for boys. So for who's that classroom? For the boys. So how will you answer? Boys classroom. B-O-Y-S. It's in the plural form and you have to only add the apostrophe because already S is there. So boys classroom. Next. That hut belongs to the old woman. So who's that hut is? Old woman. So how will you write? Old woman hut. Next. This egg belongs to the goose. So whose egg that? Goose. So you'll write goose's egg. Next. In the same way you have to do all the exercise. Let me go with the fifth one. The jewelry belongs to my mother. So whose jewelry is that? Mother. So the mother is the main word. So my mother's jewelry. How will you write? My mother's jewelry. 6. The books of Seema are on the table. The books of Seema are on the table. So whose books are on the table? Seema's. किसका books table पे है? Seema का. So Seema's books are on the table. Next one. I'll tell the last one also, then we'll just go to the next exercise. These flowers belong to Dhananjay. Okay. So whose flowers? Whose flowers, right? Dhananjay's flowers. So you have to write Dhananjay's flowers. Is that clear, children? In this way you have to do this exercise. And in exercise 3, circle the possessive nouns in the following paragraph. नीचे जो possessive nouns में है उन्हें आपको circle करना है. So for the possessive nouns to identify, आपको देखना होगा जहाँ पर apostrophe है. Okay? उन nouns को आपको circle करना है. So this is a very big school. There is no possessive noun in that sentence. The school's building itself is huge. So school apostrophe S. Schools. So that there you have to circle that. Is that clear, children? In this way you have to do the C exercise. I think you all understood this chapter. What is the possession, what is the possessive noun, and how to change a singular noun to possessive noun, and how to change a plural noun to possessive noun. I'll be sending these exercises as homework for you. So do by yourself. आप खुद से करें. फिर मैम जो PDF आपको सेंड करते उसके साथ मैच करें. जहाँ रॉन्ग है उसको समझ के, उसको डाउट है तो क्लियर करें मैम से, नहीं है तो उसे समझ के करेक्शन करने का कोशिश करें. ओके चिल्ड्रन? So do it by yourself and match with the original answer PDF file and do your homework regularly. Send it for checking regularly. Take care, children. Stay home, stay safe.